Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of a disease which is known as peptic ulcer and which is quite commonly known by all people. Now, what is peptic ulcer? This is a common terminology used for ulceration of the upper gastrointestinal tract and therefore includes both gastric ulcer as well as duodenal ulcer. Now, chronic irritation of the gastrointestinal mucosa due to causes such as smoking, excessive intake of caffeine in the form of tea or coffee, alcohol intake, the use of excessive spices, stress, and medications like aspirin can usually cause or aggravate peptic ulcer. Now, what is the Ayurvedic herbal treatment for peptic ulcer? This is aimed at giving symptomatic treatment for ulceration as well as treating the known causes. Ayurvedic herbal medicines treat the inflammation and bring about healing of the ulceration. In combination, different types of medicines are used which will remove all the causes as well as treat the symptoms, and usually about 3 to 6 months treatment is given, which is sufficient to bring about a complete cure of the condition. Now, these medicines which are used, these are known to reduce excessive secretion of hydrochloric acid. They treat the local infection and inflammation, also improve the resistance of the mucosa and bring about a complete healing of the ulceration. Now, this peptic ulcer is a medical condition which is known to have remissions and relapses, and because of this, it is known as periodicity of symptoms. Now, this is a term used for the symptoms because they remit and relapse occasionally. Now, in order to successfully cure this condition, it is important to treat all the known causes. So, modifications of vices, lifestyles, and diets are very necessary in order to completely cure this condition and prevent a recurrence. Offending medications, foodstuffs, chemicals, tobacco, caffeine, and alcohol need to be stopped altogether. Now, stress is a very important factor in the propagation of peptic ulceration and needs to be treated aggressively, either with herbal medications or with relaxation techniques such as yogic asanas and breathing techniques. Now, depending upon the severity and chronicity of the condition, usually treatment is required from 3 to 6 months. And in addition, when the patient is following diet restrictions, has done lifestyle modifications and is taking oral medication, still in spite of that the results are not there, then we add some panchakarma treatment modalities. Now, some people advocate Vaman or Virechan, but this can be dangerous if there is a deep ulcer. It may cause perforation. So what can be done is we use a medicated enema which is known as Peptic Ulcer. Now, this is quite safe and it has proved to be quite effective in healing the patients with a refractive peptic ulcer. So, a combination oral medication as well as panchakarma treatment like medicated enema, which is known as Peptic Ulcer. So, this combination is very useful in treating and healing all patients of peptic ulcer. So, friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for peptic ulcer. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.